Here we are in Grand Forks, North Dakota, right across the Red River from Minnesota, and we thought we'd try a fun experiment. We're gonna see how long it takes Shelby to run the 100-yard dash on this impromptu soccer field we found at a park right downtown in North Grand Forks. Good girl! Good girl! There's my good girl! There's my good girl! It's 11 seconds, actually 10 seconds by the time I stopped the thing, but for her to run 100 yards. I think she could have done better.
Go! She's put on about 5 pounds since we started this trip. I think she's a little slower than she used to be. Go!
Even with all the prompting and everything, 10 seconds.
Too slow.
She's not exactly a Maserati. She's more of a Chevette or a Suburban.